Hello everyone and welcome to Jammin' Bread Games, and in this video I just thought I would cut together about 4 matches or so of Battlefield 1, and in these matches I was mainly using the Model 10A Factory, and then I switched over to the Mondragon Storm, and I finished it out with an LMG. What is it, the MG something? I forget the exact name. So anyway, yeah, I just kind of cut together some of the highlights from these rounds, so I hope you all will enjoy. Oh gosh, this is bad. Look at this gun. When did I get this skin? This looks cool. Alright, it's been a hot minute since I've last played Battlefield 1. This could be bad. It's been some time. I gotta use the Model 10A Factory. So... oh, that was bad there. So we'll see what happens. Oh gosh. That was an enemy right there. Should we just do this? And if they break it open, we'll blow it up. Oh no, it didn't work. That idiot opened the door and ruined it. Oh my gosh. Oh, nice job.
We are losing objective Edward.
You good? Nice. Wait, this enemy's right here. Oh! Oh! I got a flick shot off there. I think they're on our right as well, though. Oh gosh, can't aim.
We have lost objective Edward.
Oh, bad though. I need to hide. Don't have much health. Dang, this thing has some range. Alright. Oof. Just a flaming corpse right there. What's happening here? That's more doable here. What's happening here? Ooh, no, this is hell here. How come? Thank you. Grenade battle. Oh. Ah. Bad throw, but whatever. See what happens. They're down there. They just annihilated me. Thank you. Thank you. Ow, man. Did he die? I think I screwed that up. What does he have? Okay. Hopefully there wasn't another medic nearby, I just stole his kit, but I think that was an okay thing to do. Oh man. Oh shoot. I got you. Good. We're medic now apparently. I hate like stealing his kit to revive him, but I'm like, eh, whatever. Like, have some fun. Maybe you shouldn't run up there, buddy. I don't know about that. Oh, shoot. No. Oh gosh. Nope. No. No. Excuse me. Oh, when did you die? I didn't even see you were dead. I don't know about getting you, buddy. There's a lot of guys up there. Holy crap. Oh, I don't have any ammo. What the heck? Ammo? Either of you guys? Ammo? Ammo? What happened to you? Oh no, the auto revolver. It's my most used pistol though. How do I request ammo? Oh gosh. It's like, how is that not a hit? Just me and him hold it down. If they give me some ammo, I could hold it down better, but whatever. Are we pushing it? We may be pushing it. Oh, what? I'm right here. What happened? Wait, is that ammo? No. What the heck? Maybe I should just pick up another kit. Oh, great. You have a freaking mortar. That's perfect. Well, we're on our second kit that isn't ours. You see that? I could see that sniper through the wall. That was weird. Oh, shoot. Wait, we should totally use this freaking mortar. Wait, can we use it here? Yep. Wait, try to get off. Yep. Okay. Okay, that's not what I meant to do, but okay, we got it killed. That's cool. Okay, that works. It's fine with me. Why does this dude not have any ammo? Why did this guy spawn like this? What the heck? Some team player. Oh, I heard that. It's too slow. Too slow. Nice. You gonna get me, Devin? Devin Walsh? You just gonna run past me, Devin Walsh?
Losing objective Charlie.
Devin Walsh. Thank you, Devin Walsh. Where are they? I don't even see them. Are they right in front of me? Oh, there he is. Die. Suppression. Oh, wow. Nice shot. How was that a one-shot kill? What the heck? Devin Walsh. Devin Walsh, I love you. Devin Walsh. Devin Walsh, I love you. Devin Walsh, Devin Walsh, Devin Walsh. Yeah, boys. Devin Walsh is the man. You know what? Oh gosh, look at that. Give me that mortar. Let's mortar that. Right there. Let's just mortar this. And mortar that. And mortar that. And mortar that. Okay, there's a sniper somewhere. Where is that sniper at? Is it over there? Or was it like behind us? Yeah, it's right there. Okay, they got him. No, something's still there. Yep, look at him right there. Nice, okay. Dang that. I couldn't kill that guy. Yeah, this is a weird game. They're just having like push back to their spawn. Alright. Oh gosh, is that body up there? What the heck? Run! Forward! To their spawn, my friends. Yeah, right there. Oh, dang. Well, that works well. Random grenades, random.
We are losing objective Charlie.
Well, we shouldn't have left it, I guess. Is there anyone here? I want to do a mortar. Can I mortar? Let's just mortar for a second here. Oh yeah, it's a bunch of people there. Oh, you're dead. Oh shoot, shoot, shoot.
Control all
Get off, get off. Oh. Trying to be smart. Oh gosh.
Return to the combat area.
Nice. Freaking throw. Oh, I didn't die there? Oh, that was really close. I don't know how I didn't die. Oh, that was funny. I like that. We're like switching kits and all kinds of stuff there. That was funny. What did we do? I joined in late. 12-3. Okay. I had a good team. They're just not that balanced, as always. I wanted to thank Devin. That guy had the right idea, but I never remember how to type. Yeah, look at Devin. Devin, I love you. Alright. So this is Amiens. Amiens. Did they move that? The metal thing is like at the top. Dude, no one's here. Just go. Stop screwing around. Anyway, we're playing Amiens. Amiens? I don't know. And yeah, this map is... it's quite precarious. It's fine, but it is quite challenging. Ooh, tank. Could try to get lucky.
We have taken objective butter.
Is it on its side or something? What is up with that? I hit it. Is it? It moved off? Yeah, it moved off.
Taken
Okay.
objective Duff.
Cool. I think we hit it quite a bit there. Oh, it's still there. Oh. No one said it was gone. It just moved off. Oh, it's there. Okay. It's there. It's still there. Dudes, we're probably about to get pushed. I really... Wait, let's see if we get lucky. What? Oh, did they blow up my C4 and it counted as a kill for them?
We are losing objective.
Is that what happened there? And I didn't even get an assist. That really sucks. Well, there's a body there. Go away. I see you back in there. Dude, I can't kill these guys.
We are losing objective Duff.
Ow. Oh shoot, yeah, right here. What is up with this shotgun? I just keep like sniping people with it. It's really weird. Are they right above me? I can't tell. Oh, there's a tank. Oh, hi tank. I didn't see you there. Acid flash. I don't know about this. Acid flash. Careful, acid flash. Oh no. Do I have anything left? No, I don't. Okay. Well, let's see. Can I jump up here? That's someone here? What was that? Oh, there it was. What is up with this shotgun? This is a sniper shotgun. Why is this a sniper shotgun? I don't have any anti-vehicle things.
We are losing objective.
Are these more of those support players who just have like shotguns and stuff? This is so stupid that you can do that. Okay, this shotgun needs to be balanced. It is not balanced at all. I need some freaking ammo. One good thing about not one good thing, but a good thing about Battlefield 5, just run up and get your own ammo. That'll be nice. Is he coming this way? I'd like to be able to do my job,
Objective Duff.
but there's no support players supporting. Where did my bullets go? Where did my bullets go? Look at my pose. That's just how defeated I am. Oof. Oh, yep. Okay, pretty sure I was around that corner, but oh well. What the heck was that? He just got annihilated. Oh, he got annihilated as well. Hey! Thanks. I love you. Okay, I'm just running up in here to see what happens. We good. Okay, I think we're okay. Can't jump out this window. Do I have to shoot it again or something stupid? Okay, just jump out this window. Okay. I think they're behind me, but whatever. Ah! Ah! What was that? Oh my gosh, this is a really weird game. I was curious. I thought maybe they would just be hiding up there, so I was seeing what would happen. Dude, I hear the footsteps. Shovel. This won't end well, my friend. Oh, what? Oh, I was wondering why it looked like it was on fire. It was like incendiary and gas all together. Okay, my shot went nowhere. My shot behind you, dude. Like they're in there too. Are we good? I can't tell. I think we're okay. Oh gosh, I don't know about this though. Vehicle. Alright. What is happening? Hell? Yep, hell's in there. Hell is in there, my friends. Ow. Oh, shoot. Die. Die. What was that? Hi, how you doing? I'll get in with my sniper rifle. Just hold on. Once I get my sniper rifle. Told you. Get in with my sniper rifle. Oh gosh, another one of these fools. Yeah. How did I hit him? I don't know. I'll take it.
We have taken objective Freddy.
Alle Ladungen bereit. Die Sprengsätze sind scharf.
Are you dead? What was that? How did it not kill me?
We are losing objective Duff.
The howl of the train. The ghost of the train. Oh, it's like over. Whoa. What the heck was that? You suck. This team I'm playing against, like, they're like robots or something. Like, I don't know. Eh, fuck me. Ugh. It sounds like hell.
We are losing objective
They're like right
Duff.
here. Die from my shovel. Okay. Oh, they're right here above me.
We have taken objective apples.
What the heck? Where did you come from? How is that not a wish I
We
killed?
have lost objective Duff.
Feindlicher Sturmsoldat!
Oh. That was pretty funny. I got like 4 there or something. 3 or 4. How strange. What a weird spot I was in. Oh, what a weird game. Oh my gosh. Horse wounded. This shotgun is crazy. Anyway, I just need 2 more kills with this thing for this medal, and I'm done with it. He was so injured, holy crap. I don't know how he killed me. It was one of those trade kill things. Which is just grand. Oh my gosh, Martin. Durbo. I love you. No, plane. Go away, plane. Oh, hi. Go away. Who was that? He was just kind of sitting there. Ugh, they're everywhere. he dead? That guy right there. See that? I think it's just the way that looks. Nope. Ow. What was that? That was amazing.
We have taken objective butter.
Ow. Oh, hi. It's Garrett there. How are you? Don't really want to go up there. Probably won't end well. Oh gosh.
Take the medical patch.
Hi, tank. Okay. That tank is like right here, which is great. It is just great. I'm just running this way for some reason. They're all above us, I know that much. What should we do? Should we go forward? Ah, died. What the heck? I'm scared.
See him? Sharpshooter.
Nope.
Right there.
That dude made it up. Cool. Is there a way up over here? They're in. What if I can just run in here?
Every sharpshooter.
They're the same dude. Just run in here, see what happens. Oh. Derp. Oh, what? Oh, the realistic gas grenade got me, of course. It landed up there and somehow went all the way down there.
Our airship has arrived.
Yeah, yes.
It's an enemy medic. Enemy medic.
What was he doing? He just kind of sitting there. What the guy behind me?
You want those wounds patched?
Oh, shoot. Ride. I'm somehow alive. Not sure how, but okay. Get an artillery truck. Oh my gosh, there's just tanks everywhere. Alright. Back with more Battlefield 1. I gotta use this Small Dragon Storm thing, so yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully I'll be able to do okay with it. I haven't played this map in a little while. This one's actually pretty fun.
Hier, erste Hilfe. Sieh mir die Wunde mal an. Erste Hilfe.
Nice.
Ich hoffe, das Zeug nützt was.
Okay, you're up.
Erste Hilfe, greif zu, Mann.
We have this. What happened? No, there's like a bunch of people here.
Du bist verletzt. Ich seh mir das an.
Oh, shoot. Where are all these fools? That's friendly. Ah, I hate this gun.
Sanitäter gesichtet.
Just gonna run around this corner. Gotta reload this really slow pistol. And my really slow gun. Okay. We finally did it. No, leave him alone. I will avenge you. Stupid bayonet charger. But we're doing pretty good, but now we're like kind of screwing it up. Dude, they're all back here. That's a tank or something. Fall back. Probably gonna go bust through this wall or something. If I go up here. Ooh, okay, that's a tank. Where'd it go? Okay, you're dead.
We have lost objective butter.
Bist du verletzt?
I'm sorry, dude. I'm not actually getting you. Oh, cool. You can burn the tanks. That's good.
Erste Hilfe, nimm schon.
Well, I'm coming, Juicy J. Don't worry. I didn't really mean to spot you there, but whatever. I hate this gun. I like really cool.
Hier, Mann, erste Hilfe.
This gun is really annoying. Ah, it's just like, it's so painful to use. Thank you, someone. I don't know why. I don't know why I don't like this gun, but I just don't.
Erste Hilfe.
There's something about it. It's like the rate of fire is weird. The crosshair is
Braucht
weird.
jemand Erste Hilfe?
I think all that is kind of combining to piss me off. Okay, don't know how I got that kill. It looked like I missed them, but whatever. Take it. Go right there. Tons of dead people here. Probably shouldn't just do this, but I'm just gonna do this.
Verletzt. Ich kann dir helfen.
I don't know what's happening. Whatever.
Erste Hilfe.
Go away, piece of crap.
Erste Hilfe, greif zu.
That's so dumb, those bayonet charge things. Hope they don't try to like reintroduce those into 5. Oh gosh, what was that?
Hier, Erste Hilfe.
A mortar? I didn't even know what that was. Okay. I don't know if we should try to attack or just defend. We're losing D. We should probably go for D.
Hier, Erste Hilfe.
But once we do that, we'll lose this one, you know? It's like, it's the way the ball bounces usually.
Erste Hilfe. Nimm
What are
schon.
you using there? Looks like you just had like a grenade launcher.
Hier, Erste Hilfe für dich. Erste Hilfe, nimm schon.
Go away. I can get those kills where they're just kind of sitting there, but like if I go up against someone, it's like you're kind of screwed. This is more like a sniper rifle.
Erste Hilfe, greif zu, Mann.
Hi, dude. Oh gosh, here comes another tank. What the heck is that?
Hier, Erste Hilfe für dich.
Trying to. Oh, heal.
Soll ich deine Wunden
What the?
versorgen?
You good? Okay. Oh, there's a guy right there. Of course, there's a guy right there. What the heck is
Halfway
this?
there, the enemy has the upper hand.
Ja, ein Maschinengewehr.
Where'd he go? That wasn't him, was it?
Feindlich.
Was it him? Maybe the rubble killed him. Oof. Okay. Okay, give me that one. Run away, run away, run away. Oh gosh. Howda. What the heck is that? I don't think I've ever been killed by that thing. What is that thing? Whoa! Yeah, man. You do that. Go, lip it, fly. Be free.
We have lost objective Edward.
Where did that guy go? I'm gonna kill myself on it. Nope. This is a duel. This is a grand duel here.
Hier,
What is happening with this duel? Where'd he go? Is he hiding up here again?
Munition, hier.
Where'd he go?
We have taken
What did he
objective
have? I couldn't
apples.
tell. Did he have a shotgun?
We have taken objective apples.
He's not dead. I don't know where he went. Okay,
Jemand Munition bestellt?
whatever. Is that
We
him?
have lost objective butter.
No, we're blue.
Hier, frische Munition.
What if he's just like right here? I just don't see him. That'd be funny. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but whatever. Okay, we have our flag now. Our gimme flags. It only took the whole game to get that back, so that's good. We just need to keep A. And then like, I don't know, B and D or something. Just keep a couple. We should be fine. I don't know. Our squad leader is kind of telling us to take all these weird flags. He's like, go take E, go get their gimme flag. It's like we really don't need to go for that right now, dude. Like that's not really that important, you know. Okay, so we're good here. I'll throw out some ammo, and then I'm gonna go back somewhere else because we don't need to be here. What was that? I'll give you some ammo if I can, sir. Alright. It's a tank or something. I think he jumped out then.
We have taken
What else?
objective butter.
Guy just went flying. What are you shooting?
Munition, dazu.
There's some ammo. Okay, well, that's a bit gnarly.
Hier, ich hab ein bisschen Munition.
There you go, buddy. I think. I'm trying to give you ammo.
Flasche
There
Munition.
we go. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Oh my gosh! I thought that was like a tree. There's like 4 guys just standing there. I kind of just stared at that. I didn't think it was anyone there. It just looks so weird. I've never seen that before. It's just 4 guys all standing together. Oh my gosh, that's so funny looking. Dude, there's like 2 mechs right on top of my body. Why aren't they reviving me? Thank you. Am I like stuck or something?
Hier, Munition.
Gosh, that's funny.
We have
At least I killed one of them. I always do that. I get like, I see stuff like that, and then I'm like, I don't shoot because I'm just so baffled. And then I could have gotten like 8 kills, which I probably could have gotten more kills there if I had taken the time to shoot. Let's do that. Let's see if that hits something.
Hier, ich hab ein bisschen Munition übrig.
Yes. How many kills was that? Was that 1 or 2? I can't tell. Or is that more than 2? All right, I think we're okay. Gosh, that's funny. Wait, what was that? Can't see you. Finally. This is what I'm talking about. I need a gun with 100 bullets. That's my problem. Oh gosh, let me run back. Look at all those guys up there. Yeah.
Braucht jemand Munition?
Where are they? They're down?
Hier,
Okay.
frische Munition.
Are they right here or are they farther down? No, they're like right here. What are you doing? Some guy right there, just no one saw him. Like he's on the map. Oh gosh, who's that? Where did he go? I'm just gonna run away. Run away. What the heck? This is so weird.
Schick dir eine Granate.
Such a weird game. Oh, what was that?
Hier, Munition.
we are winning.
I hit something hard there.
Hier, Munition.
I'm
für
gonna get
dich.
a grenade back. Go away. He didn't revive me, did
Frische
he?
Munition.
Something there. I can't see it though. Okay, I need to reload. Was there something in there? Oh, here they come this way. Crap. Limp it out. Can't. Dang it. Couldn't hit fire. Anyone down here?
Hier, ich hab ein bisschen
No. Okay.
Munition übrig.
Whoa. There's something.
We are losing.
Oh, it's right there. Crap. Go get him, friends.
Munition für dich.
Okay, we finally had a comeback here, so that's good. I'm not going back in there getting tripwire bombed. Okay. The stealth man here. Where are they? I hear people. Oh gosh. Ah, I wanted to see if I could get a kill at the end there. Just missed them. They like went right to the right. Couldn't quite finish them off. How do we do? 26-9. I mean, it sounds good, 26-9. But I feel like, I mean, that was okay, but I feel like I could have done better. I was using that stupid gun for most of it. So I was like adjusting to new weapons the whole game. So I never really got into a groove, unfortunately. But oh well. I'm just glad we finally came back. I thought we were going to lose that because we were just doing so many dumb things in that round. So many dumb things in that round. But oh well. We made it though. Did I get anything? No. Oh, I did. What? I had the most heals. Heck yeah. How? I don't know. Had the highest make score, squad wipes, best squad score? What? Dang.